Amplitude is a product analytics platform that promises to give you deep insights into user behavior, but does it really deliver on that promise? Today, I'm diving into what Amplitude offers and whether it's worth your time and money. Amplitude is designed to help businesses track user interactions and analyze data to improve product experiences. It focuses on core functionalities like event tracking, user segmentation, and funnel analysis, which are essential for understanding user behavior in depth. The user interface feels intuitive at first glance, making it accessible for teams that might not have extensive technical expertise. You can easily create custom dashboards to visualize data, which is a standout feature for many users. However, the onboarding process can be a bit overwhelming if you're new to analytics tools. It's clear that Amplitude is aimed at product managers and data analysts who need to make data-driven decisions, but the sheer volume of options might be daunting for smaller teams or startups. One area that feels unclear is the integration process with other tools. Detailed documentation is available, but it could be more straightforward. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Amplitude offers robust analytics capabilities and excellent visualization tools that can help teams understand their data better. The ability to create custom segments and funnels is definitely a strength. However, there are some frustrations. The pricing structure can feel a bit steep, especially for smaller businesses, and some users report that the learning curve is significant. Additionally, while Amplitude excels in analytics, it lacks some features like built-in A/B testing, which you might find in other platforms. If you're a small team or a startup, you might find it overwhelming or too expensive. On the flip side, larger organizations looking for in-depth analytics will likely find Amplitude invaluable. In conclusion, Amplitude is a powerful tool for those who need detailed insights into user behavior. If you're part of a larger team that can leverage its capabilities, it's worth considering. But for smaller teams or those just starting out, you might want to explore more user-friendly and cost-effective alternatives. Overall, proceed with a clear understanding of your needs.